Hello everyone, sorry about the long wait before you guys got a video. I may have mentioned this in the past, but I have a real job and I've been putting in some pretty long hours, which doesn't leave me a hell of a lot of room for social media, so to speak. Not that I do a hell of a lot in social media. I don't have Facebook anymore. YouTube and BitChute are the only ones I generally go on, and I haven't had much time to go on these channels. So I thought, well, I'll make a video, just do a little project I'm doing, film it and just post it, just to let you know that I'm still around. I'll probably do a couple of these videos, DIY videos, and hopefully you'll learn something from it or just enjoy it, hopefully. I haven't got anything about the truck at the moment. It's still waiting for me to buy specific tools as it's close to Christmas, and we just had a whole bunch of birthdays in the family. I don't have a hell of a lot of money for that sort of thing, so we're going to have to wait for a Suzuki truck video. I'm terribly sorry. In the meantime, I hope these keep you entertained. Thank you. I've got to make a way to make this fit on the mount of that using nothing but that. Holy shit, this place is a mess. Alright, back soon. Now, the premise behind this is very, very simple. Whenever I do a time lapse of anything, like the time lapse I'm doing at the moment, I usually stick my phone up on a bit of plywood that's got two nails in it. I just prop the phone up on that, aim it in the direction where I want the time lapse to be filmed, and that's how I do it. Which is limiting, to say the least. So I thought, I really need something that's a bit more, I don't know, user-friendly. That's why I'm doing this particular project now. Right. The inspiration for this project came from this thing, which is the controller to my drone. And it's got that on it, which you have your phone on. So what I want to do is make that clamp have a rod, then a 1/4 inch nut for the tripod unit. So that's the big idea. Okay, now I've got 3 different types of flat rod that I've had lying around for frickin' ages. And a very small one, a little bit bigger, and then a nice big wide one. I think I'll use the wide one. It makes it more stable once you lock it in. The small one, the phone will probably pivot. This one's not too bad though, but I'm going to make it with that. Now I don't have a cut-off wheel to the little one. Now we'll do it the old-fashioned way. Hacksaw! I need a tape measure, and all my tape measures are in the house. Any here? No. Let's go to the house.
One brief trip to the house later.
I'm back. Come out of space. Dad's had looked upon my face. Ta-da. Not gonna worry about these boys. Everybody knows. Would have been so much easier with a cut-off wheel. I wouldn't have had to do it by hand. Where did I put it? Sure would be good if we had a linisher, don't you think? Right, now. So we need to make a hinge point. So we need a couple of, at least 4 tags, and then probably a bolt to go through. But I also want a spring to work that. So what do we have here? Nope. Ooh. I think that'll work quite nicely. I think we'll use that. Yep, I think that'll do. Don't worry, tomorrow I'll buy a cut-off wheel, okay? Just it's a long weekend and the shops are closed.
Everybody knows the deal is right.
Most robust selfie stick ever made. Since it's day 2, I thought I'd make my shadow board a little bit more YouTube friendly.
Nipples are normally a bit different to each other.
Yeah, are they? Hi guys. Alright, so this is the magic clamp that I made. You can drop this from 10,000 feet onto solid concrete and it won't break. That's what I like. I don't like cheap plastic shit. I want something that's going to last me the rest of my life. Now because it's quite heavy, because I made it out of steel, because that's the material I have to work with, so I had to find the centre of gravity when the actual foam is in there. That way, if I mount it on the tripod, it's not going to put any adverse weight or force on the tripod. It'll be centered and it should be balanced. So I've ascertained that the center of gravity is about there. So that's where I'm going to have to put the tag. So I'll weld a little tag onto there, and then I've got some 1/4 inch nuts which I just bought, which will fit on any tripod, and I'll tack that to the bar. The base. So now weld that onto the clamp. There we go. So that's a clamp. Now I can do some time-lapse recordings in different positions. This is for one of my other channels. I want to do some time-lapse work. Therefore I needed a more professional mount than a piece of plywood with 2 sticks in it. I hope you enjoyed this video. The next video will be edited a little bit more informatively so that you can see what I'm doing step by step. I've noticed with this video I wasn't doing that. Terribly sorry. The next video will be a bit more step by step and a bit more informative. The truck, I'm afraid, is going to have to wait. I'm terribly sorry, but the Suzuki is going to have to pause for a while I work through different things in my life at the moment. Please bear with me. The truck will be featured again and again on this channel. But I'm going to show you some other projects, and I'm going to show you how to do stuff yourself. Like, why am I using a stick weld and not a TIG or a MIG? I'll explain that in the next video. So please stay tuned. I will be back, and hopefully I'll be back permanently. I'll start with regular uploads. Please bear with me. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.